Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to add links to images in Google Slides. So you can see I have opened the Google Slides and I have also created an example presentation and a example. This is a blank presentation actually. So we will go to the insert option in the menu. You can see just after the view, and in this we can see drop down. We have a lot of options, and on the top of the list we have image. So we will upload from computer, and I have in my desktop this. So this image, you can see creating images, and you can see the image has been uploaded in my presentation. So what we can do, we can also resize from this transform control, like from here, from anywhere. So now the main thing, like we want to add link. So once you click this, you select this image, you can see here insert link. So just click on the insert link and type here the link like www.learneasycode.com. This is one of my websites. So you can see even Google will show you the title of and tagline of the website which you have applied in your website. So I mean to say title of that specific page. So this is the home page of my website. So if I apply from here, so you can see it has been applied. See how easily we can add link. So if if I click here, that will go to the my website learneasycode.com. See, so this is very easy, like how we can add links to images in Google Slides. I hope you have learned this. Please share the video with your friends so they can also learn new skills, they can improve their professional skills. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks once again.